Welcome to TechClipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block any adult website in your Chrome browser on Windows. And I'm going to show you two methods that you can use. Now for the first method, just open up your browser. Then just search for anything on Google. Go to Save Search. Click on Filter Explicit Results. And from the next time you search for any adult website on Google, you won't be able to find them. And for the second method, go to your Chrome browser. Search for Chrome Web Store. Go to the first link. Search for adult website. Go to the first tab. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Just click on Get Started. Just select anything from here. Select your age. Select anything from here. Just select anything and just go through the whole thing. Click on Skip. Click on Continue. Click on Skip. Click on Skip again. Click on Skip. And from the next time you try to go on to any adult site, it will block you. And that is how to block adult site on Chrome with extensions. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.